Hey everyone, are you looking to make a good amount of extra cash without any hassle? Well, gather around, cause I've got just the app for you. This app lets you earn money simply by opening it. No investment, no sweat, just a few clicks and you're on your way to earning. It's completely legit and available worldwide, with loads of ways to withdraw your earnings. Plus, the minimum withdrawal amount is only 19 cents. That's practically nout. Here's the exciting bit. How do you actually earn money? There are a few ways. You'll get a random bonus just for signing up. Just open a video and let it play. You'll earn points while you go. No need to actively watch. Easy as pie. See those apps listed at the bottom? Click one, install it, open it, and come back to the app to earn more. There are even some ads you can watch to earn extra points. Alright, so how do you get started? It's easy. Click the download link in the description below this video, open the app and sign up using your Google account. Allow all the permissions. That's it, your account is ready to earn. Now let's get down to that video money. Click on a video, you might see a pop-up, just hit cancel. An ad might play, just close it. The video will keep playing and you'll see points racking up in your wallet at the top left. Easy peasy. There are more ways to earn in this app, but I'll cover those in another video. Now let's talk about getting your hands on that cash. Click on the top left corner to see your wallet balance. Every 10,000 points equals $0.001. Once you reach 19 cents, you can withdraw. There are loads of withdrawal methods: PayPal, Payeer, Airtime, Amazon gift cards, and more. Choose your method, click confirm, and withdraw. The money will be in your account straight away. I know what you're thinking. Is this legit? Well, see here, this is my withdrawal proof to Payeer. I'll do a whole video on more proofs later, but this should give you a good idea. So there you have it, folks. A genuine app where you can earn money with minimal effort. Download the app using the link below, start earning, and let me know how you get on in the comments.